a series editor to have 5 legends recognized, and the volumes have been compiled, including Philip Kotler, that we all know, Shelby Hunt, who is a giant in marketing theory. We have, of course, Kent Monroe, who is here, third one. Naresh Malhotra, surprisingly, he has contributed, just when he retired, enormous amount of contribution into so many diverse journals, and my works have been compiled. Today, I have the pleasure of inviting Vivek Mehra to inaugurate, or actually have the opening ceremony of the 6th legend. There's a key difference between this legend and others. He is 20 years younger than the others. He has accomplished more, and we think we'll have to repeat his series in another 20 years, and that's our V. Kumar, whose volumes we have just published as the 6th legend in marketing. So I would like Vivek to come and talk about that one and do the inauguration. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sheth. I don't think it's appropriate that I inaugurate it or reveal it. I would like Mr. Godrej to do that, but I would like to take a couple of minutes of just reflecting on this entire series. So it takes me back to the American Marketing Association's conference in New Orleans, where I stood before the same legends and many more that are not here. And I was asked to say, well, why this series, and why should it be in this format, and why should it be priced this way? I just stood up there and said, I really don't know how to price a product like this. How do you value the 4 or 5 decades output of a brilliant human mind? I, for one, don't know how to value it. But I said there is a product that can be created, and there is a certain value that should be attached to it when it is actually transferring from the publisher into the hands of possibly an institute or a user or a researcher. So it began from there, and I'm deeply honored that Dr. Sheth took the opportunity to actually partner with SAGE to do that. Today, it's Dr. V. Kumar. I met him at the same conference, and I have to repeat the same story that he said. He said, I'm part of this legend, but there's one thing I can't do. I can't color my hair white. It remains black. And until today, you know, after 3 years, it's still black. So it's correct that probably in another 20 years, we'll have to do the part 2 version of his contribution. So without further ado, may I request Mr. Godrej to actually reveal the first volume. The 10 volumes are outside. We didn't think it would help if we brought all of them in here. They're really heavy work, both in their contribution as well as the weight. May I request Mr. V. Kumar's mother to please come on stage and receive the volume from Mr. Godrej.
Good evening. This is the voice of Enigma.
I just take 30 seconds or 45 seconds to just thank, this journey is not predicted. This journey was encouraged by my parents. That's why my dad couldn't come. It was the last minute stuff, and so he couldn't come. I was glad my mother came and my wife accompanied her. This journey was encouraged by my parents. This journey was made possible by the person who admitted me into the PhD program, Raj Srivastava. Thank you so much for having the confidence. The journey was made possible through the process that I went through. The editors here, the reviewers here, who all made it possible. And finally, the recognition that came from Professor Jagdish Sheth, that is also unexpected, and I really thank you for having the confidence in me. Last but not the least, my co-authors, my doctoral students, who are really gems, who really push me to the limits by teaching me everything that they know. And here also we have Dinesh, one of my doctoral students here. Thank you so much for making all this thing happen. And Mr. Adi Godrej, it's a great privilege to see you give this to my mother, and forever it'll live in our memories. Thank you so much. And thank my wife forever, forever, forever. I always miss this because she's part and parcel of me all the time, and I don't see her as something different from me. So.